Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix Facebook could not load results. So the first solution is we need to clear our Facebook cache file. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and open app management, and from this list you have to tap on Facebook, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, and tap on clear data. And after doing this process, you will need to re-log in into your Facebook account and then check the problem is fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to update our Facebook app. So for that, go to Play Store and search your Facebook, and if you see any update available, then you will need to download the update for Facebook and then go to Facebook and check the problem is fixed or not. And the last and final solution is we need to delete our Facebook app and we need to reinstall the app. So for that, open your phone settings, scroll down and open app management, tap on Facebook, storage usage, tap on clear cache and tap on clear data, and after that tap on uninstall. And once you uninstalled Facebook, go to Play Store and search your Facebook and tap on install, and then log in into your account and check the problem is fixed or not. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.